My question to you is, do you agree with what Chief Justice Roberts said when he was just Judge Roberts, that it's an area of making laws to transgress into what Congress has done by way of finding the facts?
I would find it difficult to agree with someone else's words. I can tell you how much I understand the deference that Congress is owed, and I can point to you at least to two cases, and there are many, many more, that shows how much I value the fact that we are courts that must give deference to Congress in the fields that are within its constitutional power.
Well, do you agree with Chief Justice Roberts? I sent you that quotation a long time ago and told you I'd ask you about it. Do you agree with him or not?
I agree to the extent that one's talking about the deference that Congress is owed. I can't speak for what he intended to say by that. I can
Well, not
speak
what
to
he
what
intended to say, what he did say.
I heard what he said, sir, but I don't know what he intended in that description. I do know what I can say, which is that I do understand the importance to Congress's factual findings, that my cases and my approach in my cases reflect that.
Is there anything the Senate or Congress can do if a nominee says one thing, seated at that table, and does something exactly the opposite once they walk across the street?
That, in fact, is one of the beauties of our constitutional system, which is that
Beauty
we
in
do
the
have a separation of
beauty in the eyes of the beholder. It's only Constitution Avenue there.
Well, the only advantage you have in my case is that I have a 17-year record that I think demonstrates how I approach the law and the deference with which, the deference I give to the other branches of government.
I think your record is exemplary, Judge Sotomayor, exemplary. I'm not commenting about your answers, but your record is exemplary. Let me, and you'll be judged more on your record than on your answers, Judge Sotomayor.